Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Hollabec. I've been seeing this delicious recipe on Pinterest. It won't leave me alone. It's everywhere. And it looks so good. So I thought today we can make it together. I already have all the ingredients measured out in front of me. I wanted to make it as easy on myself as possible. So the first thing we're going to do is mash up 2 bananas. And I feel like I always fail to mention this, but you might as well preheat your oven at this point. So mine's currently preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I am going to stir in 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. I love the smell of peanut butter. Ugh, it smells so good. It's gonna be tough to stir too. I'm gonna add in my sugar, so I have 2 tablespoons of honey and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So here goes the maple syrup, and this is pure maple syrup and not pancake syrup. There's a difference. And the 2 tablespoons of honey. I am going to break 2 eggs into this bowl, 1 at a time, because apparently it makes a difference. There's 1 and 2. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix these up really well. I don't know if you guys ever even notice. I don't really follow the recipe, I just look at the ingredients in the recipe and kind of assume the rest from there. I don't think it really makes a difference the order you put the ingredients in, for the most part. But in case you guys love following rules, I'll link the original recipe down in the description because I'm not a monster. Alright, and the last thing we're gonna add is 1 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. My batter's all mixed up and I lined my mini muffin sheets. Now I'm gonna fill these bad boys up. Because there's baking soda in it, I'm gonna assume these are gonna rise. So I'm not gonna fill them all the way up. Also, originally I assumed that this was gonna make 2 dozen, and looking at it now, I think it's gonna make a lot more than that. Which I suppose I would know that if I actually read the recipe. These smell so good, I'm gonna cry. It's also only 10:30 in the morning and I'm already so hungry. This is crazy, guys. So I still have a little over half the batter left and I already filled up my 2 dozen mini muffin sheet. So this is gonna make a lot, and I know this is gonna take a while to bake, so I'm just gonna get through these and I will see you guys when I'm done. Wish me luck. I'm back! This recipe made so many mini muffins. This is insane. So this is just shy of 4 dozen. So if my calculations are correct, this is about 75 calories per muffin, which isn't awful. They smell so freaking good. I'm gonna cry. So the last thing now is to taste them. That's so good. It actually has a really nice texture to it. It's very spongy, it's very soft and moist. I mean, the taste is absolutely... My camera died because it just couldn't handle the flavor. So as I was saying, the texture is absolutely awesome, especially for not having any flour or any like real binding ingredients, I guess. The flavor is just awesome. Peanut butter is right at the forefront, but then you get subtle hints of banana. Chocolate chips make it so gooey. It's so good, guys. It's so good. Alright guys, but that is all that I had to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please of course leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me so happy. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Even though I am definitely not going to hit my goal by the end of this year, I still want to try and get as many subscribers as I can. So, help me out, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. Tell your family, and let's try to get as many of you here as we can before the end of the year. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around.